In today's video, I'll show you how to create a free container in Stape.io. Whether you're a digital marketer, developer, or just getting started with server-side tracking, setting up a container is the first and most important step. Let's begin by logging into your Stape.io account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to complete the sign-up process first. Once you're logged in, take a moment to look around the dashboard so you're comfortable with the layout. Next, go to the top right area of the screen and click Create Container. This will start the container creation process. Now, enter a container name. Choose something clear and descriptive so you can easily recognize it later, especially if you plan to manage multiple containers. After that, you'll see the container configuration field. Here, paste the container configuration from your server-side Google Tag Manager container. If you haven't created a server-side GTM container yet, make sure to do that first, as it's required for Stape.io to work properly. The next step is choosing the server location. Pick a location that's closest to where most of your users are. If your audience is global, selecting a global or multi-zone option is usually the safest choice for balanced performance. Now it's time to choose a plan. Select the free plan. This option is perfect for testing, learning, or running low traffic setups. It allows you to use a Stape.io container at no cost as long as you stay within the free usage limits. Once everything is filled out, confirm your setup and wait for the container to deploy. Deployment usually takes around 5 minutes. You can monitor the status, and once it changes to running, your container is ready. That's it. You've successfully created a free Stape.io container and can now move forward with server-side tagging, data optimization, and advanced tracking setups. Happy tracking!